Last two questions, please.
Ay, hindi kami kasali dun sa sa investigasyon ng IF. Nasa house po 'yun. Hindi po Oo.
Thank you.
Sir, last na po. Yung possibility lang na kuhanin po ng ombudsman yung investigation niyo po, ano pong reaction niyo dun, sir?
Ano po 'yun?
Sinabi po kasi ni Ombudsman Martires na pwede po nilang sila yung mag-imbestiga, mag-take over ng investigation regarding po dito kay VP Sara. Ano po yung reaction niyo dun, sir?
Well, talagang nasa batas ng ombudsman na nag-iimbestiga na kami, but if they found out that for example, itong particular case na to, the threatening remarks was done because of her office, the ombudsman can take over. Pero sabi na nga ni Ombudsman Martires, it looks like yung threatening remarks na ginawa niya na yun out of her personal capacity, hindi in connection with his office, her office, as a vice president. Parang ganun po eh.
But if mag-insist lang po sila to take over, will you cooperate, sir?
Yes. Edi mas mabuti sila na mag-imbestiga na nakaligtas na kami.
Thank you. Thank you.